The Uniden GUARDIAN App Cam Solo 4G PT is a 100% wire-free 4G cellular weatherproof smart camera with pan and tilt capability to see more of your property. Place the App Cam Solo 4G PT outdoors anywhere you need watching: building sites, caravans, sheds, farms and marine property. The App Cam Solo 4G PT is designed specifically for locations without Wi-Fi and is built tough for Australian conditions. The camera pans horizontally through 355 degrees and tilts vertically through 140 degrees to cover all angles. Combine this with a wide viewing angle lens and you have maximum coverage and control to see and record more of what's going on. In the scenario where you want to capture a property and driveway together, the ability to pan and tilt gives you more scope to see what's happening remotely. Connect the App Cam Solo 4G PT via a 4G Nano SIM card. This gives you the flexibility to install almost anywhere where there is cellular coverage. Setup is simple, with vision and control of the camera through the free Uniden Solo app on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in the world. Motion detection recording means vision can be recorded to a removable micro SD card. Plus, it can be backed up to the My Uniden cloud for off-site storage and viewing. The App Cam Solo 4G PT features ThermoSense technology, a smart heat and movement sensor that detects movement from people as opposed to motion from trees and other objects. This feature allows you to receive notifications from actual events, giving you the ability to act quickly. Starlight night vision gives you up to 10 metres of clear vision when it's dark. When triggered, the camera sends a smart alert, allowing you to see and hear what's happening from wherever you are. You can then pan and tilt the camera to scan and point anywhere in the viewing area. If anything is on the move, no problem. Just pan and tilt to follow and capture the action. A two-way talk feature means you can listen and talk back in real time. And a siren alert trigger activates a 100 decibel siren with the touch of a finger. The App Cam Solo 4G PT also has a time-lapse recording feature that is ideal for building sites where progress each day can be tracked. Smart alerts to the camera are customizable so that you can record your own personalised alerts when motion is detected. The Uniden GUARDIAN App Cam Solo 4G PT comes with a weatherproof solar panel with a 360-degree mount to enable non-stop power to the camera's battery, allowing it to recharge during daylight conditions. Low battery notifications are automatically sent once capacity drops to 10%. Place the App Cam Solo 4G PT outdoors without worrying about the weather. Its compact and weatherproof design means the camera can be used anywhere and adjusted to cover any area. Designed specifically with Australian properties in mind, the App Cam Solo 4G PT is part of the Uniden GUARDIAN App Cam 100% wire-free smart security camera range. It comes with a 2-year local warranty. Give yourself peace of mind with one of the most powerful pan and tilt surveillance cameras on the market. The Uniden GUARDIAN App Cam Solo 4G PT. Monitoring your property has never been so easy. Uniden, we've got you guarded.